to be a very out of tune performance.
Taters.
Boom. If the tide came out of the sea, would it take me? If the tide came out of the sea, if the tide came out of the sea, would it take me? Or would you come before I let go? If the moon bled white through the trees, would it hurt me? If the moon bled white through the trees, if the moon bled white through the trees, would it hurt me? Or would you come before I am old and take me away far? Where miles to go until the next door. And then I said, stay please, you stay for me. Cold and heavy, if the flood ran up to my knees. If the flood ran up to my knees, could you help me? Or would you leave me hanging afloat and send me away far? With miles to go until the next star. So I said, stay please, please stay for me. If your heart beat faster for me, would you love me? If your heart beat faster for me, if your heart beat faster for me, would you love me? You say that I should already know, and we'll go way far. With miles to go until the next star. And then I said, stay please, just stay, and we'll go way far. With miles to go until the next star. Oh, I said, stay please, just stay for me.